In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name on your Google Ads account. Imagine logging into your Google Ads account and realizing that your account name doesn't truly reflect your current business name or personal brand. Whether it's because you're rebranding or you initially set up your account with a placeholder name, at some point you might find yourself needing to make a change. Luckily, Google Ads allows you to update your account name easily, ensuring your account accurately represents you or your business. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in ads.google.com, or click on the link if you're following along from our website. Once you've arrived at the Google Ads homepage, sign in using your account credentials if you haven't already. This step is crucial as you need access to the account settings to make any changes. After logging into your Google Ads account, you're going to want to locate the overview section. This is typically found directly on your dashboard after logging in. The overview section gives you a bird's eye view of your account status, campaign performance, and more importantly, access to various administrative settings. Next, you'll need to click on the admin option. This may seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the back end of Google Ads, but don't worry, it's straightforward. The admin section houses all the crucial settings related to your account's overall management, including user access, billing information, and you guessed it, preferences. Now, selecting preferences will bring you closer to achieving your goal. The preferences section is where Google Ads allows you to customize various aspects of how you interact with the platform, down to the very name of your account. It's designed to ensure that you have a personalized and efficient advertising experience. After navigating to preferences, you'll see an option to click on your current account name. This is where the magic happens. Clicking here will prompt you to a section where you can edit the existing name. Think carefully about the new name you want for your account. This is how your account will be identified across Google Ads. The new name you choose should align with your business or personal brand, ensuring consistency across your marketing efforts. Once you have decided on the perfect name, simply type it into the designated field. Take a moment to double check for any typos or errors. Remember, this name will be visible in all your future interactions within Google Ads, so it's crucial to get it right. After you've typed in your new preferred account name, the final step is to click the Save button. This might seem like a small action, but it's the key to officially finalizing your account name change. By clicking Save, you are instructing Google Ads to update your account details across their platform. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Google Ads account name. This simple yet effective change can have a significant impact on your advertising endeavors, ensuring that your account represents you or your business correctly. A few tips to remember: take your time when choosing a new name, ensure it aligns with your branding, and double check for any typos before saving. Changing your account name is a straightforward process, but it's essential to get it right to maintain professionalism and brand consistency. Updating your Google Ads account name can seem like a small task, but it's these details that contribute to a seamless and optimized advertising experience. Whether you're rebranding or simply correcting a typo, knowing how to navigate and customize your Google Ads account empowers you to maintain an accurate and professional presence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and feel confident in updating your Google Ads account name whenever necessary. Happy advertising, and see you in the next video.